everyone. This is the dual motor height adjustable desk by Lumi. So this desk basically has two motors to power the desk. Each individual leg has its own motor. So basically there are two legs and each leg has its own motor. So the weight capacity is also greater. The weight capacity of this desk is 125 kg, which means that it can hold a very big tabletop. Even if you have a marble or a glass or any heavier tabletop, this desk can take the weight. So 125 kg means you can put n number of monitors, keyboard, laptops, even if you want to put some heavy thing. So still this height will be adjusted. Secondly, this is a 3-stage desk, which means that there are 3 columns in each leg. If you notice, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 columns means that there are the legs are powered by 3 columns, so that there is more stability in the desk. So when you are adjusting the desk to a very higher height, so this is the maximum height of the desk. So even at this level, the desk is very stable. Even if you put a lot of weight on it, still the desk is not moving. So this 3-stage desk, 3-stage columns is very helpful in maintaining the stability. Compared to a 2-stage desk, the 3-stage desk has 30 to 40% more stability because of the 3 columns. Also, I would like to have you a look at the touch control panel. In the touch control panel, we have several buttons. This is the up and down button. So when you press the down button, the desk automatically goes down. Similarly, when you press the up button, the desk comes up. Then we also have memory buttons. So suppose I want to set a particular height at a memory. So at that particular height, I will press memory and I will select it as 1. So now the memory 1 is saved at this height. So even when I go up and I press 1, so it automatically adjusts to that height. So this memory setting saves the hassle of adjusting the height to your desired level every time, and you just press that button, it will come to that height. It also has a time reminder, which means that whenever you want to remind yourself to sit or stand, you can set a reminder as well. Now, why are we different from other competitors' desks? Our leg columns are much more thicker than the normal desks. If you go for the market desk, we have much more thicker columns of the legs, and also the weight is 30% more than regular desks. If regular desks are weighing 25 kgs or 24 kgs, our desks have a weight of 30-32 kgs, which means more weight, more metal, more stability. So you know that. Also, the second thing is that Lumi is a very well-known international brand. It is catering to majorly European and American markets, and it is a major OEM partner for very big brands over there. So we are authorized distributors of Lumi in India. We have test certificates for each and every desk, and each and every desk is tested for 4 times its weight capacity in the factory. Even if you go on the official Lumi website, you will come to know that the weight capacity which we are saying has been tested thoroughly, and the stability has also been tested. Also, there is one more thing in this desk. It is width adjustable as well. So if you want to fit a very big tabletop on this desk, you can just loosen the screw from below and you can adjust the width, and then you can fit a bigger tabletop on it as well. We provide free demo if you want. So you can let us know if you require a demo or also a consultation for the desk. Thank you.